Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 12, 2022. One star Sudoku. Fifth row, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come the cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column H, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Sixth grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. Column H, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Seventh row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column E, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. Third row and third grade, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. 10th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Third grade, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 10th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 7. 8th row, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Second row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Third row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row, column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second row and fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E and 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Ninth row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Ninth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Ninth row, only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. Second row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. Column F, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. Fourth row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 8. Fourth row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. Column F, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 5. Column G, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column E, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.